Hello there, fellas and ladies. Welcome back to Goodfellas Garage. Today I'm going to finish working on my 1996 Mercury Grand Marquis LS. I've been driving the car for a couple of days and I had a check engine light that came up and I decided to plug my Forescan software. And I highly recommend this if you have a Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, or a Mazda product. The software is about $50 for a lifetime license. I am not associated with them in any form or shape, but this is a pretty powerful software. You can edit and access a lot of modules. Has very similar functionality to Ford's IDS. So I scanned the PCM and I had two codes. One was P0171 and P0174, which is system running too lean. Now that typically indicates that you might have a vacuum leak, but in this case, this car has been sitting around for quite some time, so I thought maybe, possibly a clogged fuel filter and most likely bad gas kind of been sitting, or a very dirty mass airflow sensor. So what I decided to do, I put a tank of premium gas in it and I removed the mass airflow sensor and cleaned it. To clean the mass airflow sensor, use electrical cleaner or brake cleaner. Just spray the two elements very well. Just make sure you clean it all up. You can use the ear cleaners to get some of the stuck on debris. When you install it back, make sure that the O-ring is placed correctly, and the mass airflow sensor is very easy to access and install and remove. It's held by two Torx screws. I put about 300 miles on the car after putting a tank of premium gas in it and cleaning the mass airflow sensor, and the check engine light has not come back. So that's a job successfully done. Next, I started removing the headlights. These are also relatively easy to remove. They are held with the same system as the Crown Victoria. However, this is a little bit older clip system. Each individual tab on a headlight has a clip, so there's a total of 3 clips in here versus the 2 long clips that you find in newer Crown Victorias. So these are a little bit more difficult to remove, but with some patience they do pop out. These headlights were pretty rough, so I had to start with 600 wet sand, then 800, then 1000, then 1500. I am using 2K Max clear coat. It's hardener and clear coat 2-in-1. The hardener is on the bottom. You press the button there and it will mix the hardener with the clear, and you can spray whatever it is that you want to clear coat. I got a little too excited with the clear coat. I laid it too thick, which resulted in kind of a textured finish, so I had to wet sand with 1000, then 1500 and buff it out. I also purchased a brand new keyless remote for this car. These are very easy to program on these older models. There is a sticker on one of the hinges in the trunk that has the code. Basically, all you do is you punch in this code on the keypad on the driver's door, and then you press the 1-2 button and the locks will cycle, and then you can press any button on the remote and it will program itself. So let's do a little montage and let me show you what this car looks like. Well, fellas, that's all she wrote today. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thanks for watching. Bye.